Hello guys, in this video I'm just going to explain how to remove your PayPal account from your PS5 console. You can reach payment methods in two ways. The first method is directly you can reach on PlayStation Store, or you can go to settings, and here we need to come to user and accounts. On this account sections you can see this payment and subscriptions. So we need to tap on it. So here we need to tap on this payment methods. So here is my PayPal account. So I am going to remove it. We need to press this options button on the controller. Immediately you can see these options to remove. So I'm going to tap this remove. Are you sure you want to remove this payment method from your account? Yes. So I'm going to give yes. So the payment method is successfully removed. The second method is to reach the payment page. Directly you can go to PlayStation Store. And here come to more options on the right side. These three dots, right? So tap on this more options, and here you can see these payment methods. Here also you can remove it. So that's it, friends. Hope this video is very much helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Please put comments and feedbacks in my video. Thank you. Bye and take care.